Hey everybody, so I know I'm late in the game, but I got my Birchbox, and this is what it looks like. And I have no clue why it's orange, but it is orange because it's also a lot bigger. And the first Birchbox I got, I wasn't starting a YouTube channel, and it was pink and small. So let's open it. I already opened it and with some scissors because it was taped. So this is what it looks like inside. Some bubble wrapper and paper saying what I got, I guess. Oh, well, so I got this, and it's Love Balm Rose, and it's like Q, something like that. That's what it says on the thing. That's how it's spelled. Don't really know if it's that right saying, and I guess it's in the color rose. My dog wants to come in. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells real perfumey, so I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Cookie, do you want to be in? This is my dog, Cookie. She is a Yorkie, and she is 3 years old. Here's the original Birchbox, and it is pink. Oh, the other dog wants to come in. Okay, let's open this up. Here is Sugar, and she is a Chihuahua Min Pin mix, and she is 12 months. No, she is, stop that. She is 11 months old. I can't even remember how old my dog is because her birthday's next month. So, that's Sugar. Goodness, I can't even open it. I think. Oh gosh, this is so dangerous. And these are safety scissors. Now I know how 11 gorgeous looks. Oh, I like the box. Oh, I scratched the box. Oh well, my bad box. It says 2016, the year of, and then it just has a line and a Birchbox logo on it. And I like the design, so let's get in it. So it comes with some stickers, which I like stickers because I just put like a whole bunch of stickers on my journal because it's not really a diary because I don't write it in the diary. And then it says the box is just the beginning, and yeah, we know you've got big plans for 2016. And here's what's inside. Okay, here's some more of what's inside, and let's get into it. So this one is some body butter, and it's Whoosh. Spelled like that. And it's a decent size. I could put this in my purse. Oh, it smells medicated. Let's see. You done barking? My dog is laying next to me. She was smoking. Yeah, it smells medicated. Like, I want to put this on my body because I like smell good stuff, but that's whatever. So that's what that is. Then I have this. It looks like this, and it says High Performance Hair Care, Lumiere, Dehyver, something like that, Super Comb, and it says Prop and Protect, and then it says, you know, the different language. and it's by number 4. I think that's what the product is. So. Oh, it just smells, it doesn't really have a smell. Okay, this is what I'm excited for. Is Cynthia Rowley, and it's eyeliner, and this is what it looks like. And it's in, it doesn't say the color, but it's a black eyeliner, and it's very creamy. So I like that one, it's creamy. Okay. And then I have this little thing right here. Let's open it up. I got 2 things in it. I have My Daughter Always Loved, a little perfume sample, which I also like too because I just throw it in my purse. But I don't think I'm throwing this one in my purse because it's not a spray. It's one of the little sticks and it doesn't really have that much product in it, which is good because then you won't spill all over yourself. Oh goodness, this is hard. I don't want to spill all over my sister's bed. Oh, oh, it smells good. It smells fresh. That smells real good. So there's that. But I still won't put this in my purse since it's not a spray. And then I got a Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute pill. And that's what that looks like. And it looks like this. And let's see. I guess it's for your face. This is not a mask. So it cleanses skin and leaves slightly damp. Spread gel thinly and quickly over forehead, cheek, chin, neck, and something else. And it says quickly begin massaging through areas in a circular motion with slightly damp hands. After 15-20 seconds, not minutes, solid should form under the fingertips. That sounds gross. This means the peel is activating correctly as the gel is now combining with your dead skin. That's gross. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes or until all of the gel has combined with dead skin. Cleanse area again. To save time, try using the pill in the shower. Okay, well, that sounds exciting and gross at the same time. So, out of all of it, I think I'm more excited for this and my free little lip balm. And yeah, so these 2 I'm excited about. If you don't know what a Birchbox is, it's just a monthly. You can do it monthly or freely, but monthly it's a $10 sample. But yearly you can do it where you just do yearly and you get it every month. But it's only $10 and you usually get good products out of it. So far I haven't been unsatisfied with the boxes that I've got. But yeah, that's the boxes that I got, and thank you, and I'll do more.